Patrick at Pals, and I've got new tires for the 55. These are Diamondback Classics. These are custom tires. It takes about 3 weeks for them to make a set of tires for you. Each one is custom made. They're a radial that looks like a bias ply. Now, the box on top is Eaton Detroit Spring, and these are the leaf springs that Eaton made for the car. Now these are custom springs also. Eaton actually sent me videos of these springs being made, and that's what they do for every customer. If you have a classic car, Eaton will make the springs to fit the car exactly as you need them. They've been in business for a very long time. And Jim, of course, is going to put it together. Jim, what do you think of this stuff that we got? The Diamondbacks and the Eaton Springs.
These tires are always good tires for classic cars. I really like them. I mean, they're long. I believe, did you get these through Coker? I'm not sure.
No, these come right from Diamondback Classics.
So, okay, that's
yep.
cool. Yeah. The Diamondback and Coker are the two #1 companies for classic cars. And Eaton's always my go-to for springs.
Now, Eaton also sends a full kit to install. So what's in the box, Jim?
Yeah, I think they're a little cheeky at Eaton because I opened this box up and I'm looking at the normal parts and I find a bottle opener. Well, that could be normal sales products, but then there's this other thing, and I started looking. It's Band-Aids. I don't know what they're trying to say there.
So what they're trying to say is when you put the springs on, you might get hurt and need a Band-Aid, and it'll drive you to drink. You know, folks, you gotta love a company that's got a sense of humor, and Eaton certainly does. They've been in business for a long time. If you need custom springs for your classic, call Eaton. They'll make them from scratch. If you need tires for your classic, call Diamondback Tires. They are wonderful people to deal with as well. They've been in business for a long time. They make custom tires for your classic ride. If you've got a classic, bring it to Pals. See you soon.